Do you know you can use ChatGPT to create a YouTube account that is algorithm friendly? Stay tuned as Masterclass Tutor will be explaining to you guys how to use ChatGPT to create a very good and algorithm friendly YouTube channel and other important information to grow your YouTube channel.
Guys, I want to quickly show you guys how you can open a YouTube channel or a TikTok account, Facebook account, Instagram account, or maybe an S account, any other account using ChatGPT. Now, why is this necessary? It's necessary in the sense that ChatGPT understands these apps very well. So you can help you to set up your account, and after this setting up, that account may likely do well. So what you have to do is just to follow instructions. That is all. So the first thing you need to do is just to go, you know the type of account you want. So you may either type it or you just use this mic. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'll just write it. Hello. So you check it very well. So what I say I need is Africa for YouTube channel, YouTube algorithm friendly, and it should be global. Check it very well. Then you send. So look at what it's giving me. I can't be reading this now in this place. So you can just take your time to read it so that you see it. So you can see, okay. You can see it. So let me look for the name he's suggesting. So you can see the names. The channel is suggesting African Stories Untold, which part of Africa Stories Untold. So we'll use that one now. That's the name of our story. That's the name of our channel. So we'll go to YouTube Studio. So you go to Google Chrome, then you go to YouTube Studio. Let me show you how to do that. So look at Google Chrome here. So you type YouTube Studio. So you just click on this place and move it to desktop. If your one is not in desktop, move it to desktop site. Before we can go with this one now. So if you click on this place now, if you click on this place, they'll say continue in studio. So if you continue in studio, you have this. The next thing you're going to do, you click on this place. Click on this downside, this settings icon. Click on that place. Then next, you click on this channel. Click on this channel. Then next, click on this advanced settings. Then next, you click on this manage YouTube channel. Then next, you click on this add or manage account. So you just click on add or manage account. So next, you click on this plus create channel. Click on it. So next, we'll add our name. The name of channel we got from ChatGPT. Copy this. This is the channel name. Copy this. So we'll paste it here. Then we need a handle. Although we are not going to use this, we are still going to go to ChatGPT. We'll go back to ChatGPT. We need a handle for this channel. Let's see what it is giving us. So look at what it's giving us: Untold African Stories. So we just copy it, we highlight it, we copy and go back to that YouTube Studio. We copy and paste it here. Although this one is taken, you can see because of this red dot, it means it's taken. So we go back to ChatGPT to tell him that it's taken. Okay, we still have more. So we have this one, we still have this. Okay, let me use this Untold from Africa. So I will just click on this. I will come here, I will highlight this, I'll paste that. Let's see this one work. Okay, this one works. So the handle for this our channel now is Untold from Africa. So we'll just click on this create channel. So click on create channel. You can see the channel is ready. You can see the channel is ready, and we are good to go. Untold from Africa. So the next thing now, we have to set this channel. We'll put the banner for the channel and the logo. So we'll go to the normal YouTube app to do that. So that is that place is simple if I want to do something like that. So let's go for the normal YouTube app. So this is the normal YouTube app. So I'll click the app, the channel that I have before. Then I'll click on this switch account. After I click on switch account, I will select the account I want to switch to. So I'm good to go, which is this one. You can see there's nothing here. So I'll just search what I'm here for. I'm here for African stories. That is, if you want to be doing stories, so you just search for what you are here for. Then you click on it. Okay, next I'm still here to check how to make AI videos. I'll still search for this. I'll still search for how to make AI content. How to make AI content. I'll still search for this one. Okay, these are what I'm go back to this place, and I will just have to now click on this channel, view channel, click on it. The next you click on this barrel icon, on that barrel icon. So now we already have our channel name, the handle. So we have to put description now. Then we'll put the logo here. Then we'll put a banner here. That is the last thing we are going to do now. So ChatGPT will also help us to do that. So let's go back to ChatGPT. So let's say we need a good I need a good description. So look at what I'm asking ChatGPT. So you just send it. So look at the description. So I'll just highlight it. I'll just highlight everything and copy. Then remember this where we are. So you just click on this description. So you tap and hold. Then next we just save it. We'll now have to put the logo here, the logo and the banner. That is all. So let's do that. And the banner. So just say I need the image prompt for the logo. Okay, I need the image prompt for the logo and the banner of this channel with the channel name added to it automatically. Image prompt means a write-up that will describe how the image will be. That is meaning of image prompt. So I'll just send this. So this is the logo image, while this is the okay, I think this is the banner image. Okay, let's try and use the Grok AI to generate this logo image to see. The aspect ratio is 1:1. The size or the shape of the image is due to be 1:1. So let's try Grok AI. So this is Grok. So we are just going to copy. We are just going to paste what we copied. So we just say aspect ratio. Remember, aspect ratio means the size of the image. Aspect ratio is 1:1 in case it was not added. So I'll just send this. So look at what I'm getting it from Grok AI, which may not work. I'm getting it from Grok AI. So let's try ChatGPT. I'll just say generate the logo, generate or create the logo. Create the logo. Okay, look at what we're having for ChatGPT, and I think this one will work. So I'll just go with this. I'll just save this. I'll just click on save to save this. And next, create the banner. You can see ChatGPT is the one doing everything. You won't even do anything. Read the banner. Just for you to just know the knowledge, know what to do. That is all. Your AI will do everything. The rest, just impute your knowledge. That is all. Okay, this is the banner this guy is giving me. Okay, I think it's manageable. We'll just manage this. So I'll just go back to YouTube and paste this. That's all. So I'll just go back to this place. I'll click on this camera icon, then select from photos. So you click on this, select from photos, then you select the banner you created from ChatGPT, then you just done. That's all. But I will not do that now because of security reason. I'll just post it first. That's what I'm saying. I've selected it. I may just decide to arrange it. That will be seeing stories untold within this what is it called? You can see it within this. You can see the frame. That's how it's supposed to be. I don't know why it's still giving me this in 1:1. So I'll just save it. You can see the banner is already there. So I'll click on this place again to upload the logo now. Okay, I'll choose from gallery. Select the logo we generated from ChatGPT. Then you just click on done. That's all. So this is it. I'll just save as a profile picture. So as you can see, the logo is ready. So our channel is ready. So the next thing we just have to do next to run some settings using our YouTube studio. That's the next we have to do now. But I'll not be doing that in this video. I'll be doing that in my next video. I'll just do like maybe settings to make your channel algorithm friendly. So there are some channel, for example, now you have to select your category. You have to do your something like a default upload and do some general settings that will make your channel standard. But this one now, your channel is ready. And this one means that your channel is ready. You have customized it, so we are good to go. So we'll see you guys in our next video. Don't miss it.
Thanks for watching, and also remember to like and subscribe to this channel.